I'd give my life on you. 'Cause you are the reason why I'm still.
First grade journal entries part 1. I drew a red aquilb. I drew a green pez. I drew an orange. Orange. Over the weekend I went to my yay. I would like to go Hosm. Over the weekend I sads homo.
Donkin' Dunce. Donkin' Dunce. America run no dun-dun. Spooby. Freef. Wheaties. Old-fashioned Herkus Purkus. Pubgerkerg. Having it away. Taco Baco. Tinkle outside the binkle. Apple Bapples. Never whore gribbin' bib. And nude it brub. McNaldo's. I like the it. A&A.
What do you wash your dog with?
Beans.
What did you see in the bathroom at Chuck E. Cheese?
Africa.
What did I bring back from Mexico?
Windex.
What's your favorite flavor of laundry detergent?
Chocolate.
What's the sexiest dog name? If you were stranded on a desert island, what type of baby food would you eat?
Definitely, cheese.
What's your favorite type of horse?
Fish. Red.
How do you like your gays?
I don't like them.
What's your favorite type of sexuality?
Mayonnaise.
What up? What's your favorite type of race?
Asians. Because
Who's the sexiest president?
Danny DeVito.
L is for the way you look at me. O is for the only one I see. V is very, very extraordinary. E is even more than anyone that you adore can love.
Recess today? Why did you push me in the mud? Because we was playing tag and you was in my way. So, my neck popped. You could have said execute me. It's excuse me, you burnt biscuit. How you expect me to say that to you correctly when you can't even pronounce it right? Slow like jet lag. Gone somewhere. Aw, shucks, you better shut up them lips right now. Disrespectful. Yeah, whatever. Just know when we play house tomorrow, you gonna be the dog. Hey, why the dog? Because dogs ain't got no edges and that will fit right in with you. Bark, bark, bark. Beyond me and my incoming edges and Jesus. Hasta Lego. Don't be getting mad because you suck at games, you unrecycled water bottle. Ooh.
So one time when I was in 3rd grade, it was right around Halloween time, and for some really weird reason, I don't know why, me and my mother thought that my elementary school was putting on a Halloween parade, and so we decided to go ham, and I dressed as a pirate, including wearing my mother's leather boots, black eyeliner, a gold earring, a bandana. And while my mother was out of town, my dad was dropping me off at school to see that no other kid was even dressed in a costume. Matter of fact, there wasn't a parade at all. But he made me get out of the car and go to school anyway, dressed like that. Every other kid made fun of me, and my teacher wouldn't even let me in my classroom because I was dressed as a pirate. She sent me to the principal's office. And I got sent home.
I just took the DNA test. Turns out I'm adopted.
Wait, you thought this was gonna be a slow-mo? Never. Judge a book by its cover.
Psych!
Oh, snaps, I'm glowing. Fool, that's the ring light, tennis ball head. Oh, you just a hater. Anyways, I'm not, cause it's a new year. So new year, new me. No, new year, no edges, you're still bald, and your breath smell like some past gas. That's sad. And what else is sad is the fact that you still look dusty, your breath is musty, and your neck so long it can wrap around 5 pixels. That's why they call you Mr. Krusty. Was I supposed to laugh? Well, I did. Joke's on you. Oh, I see you brought that same energy I mentioned on Christmas Day into 2020, bug-eyed. You told me to, you crusty cornflake. Well, I thought you wouldn't take the offer, you dusty dumble-dee-ba-dee, doofaloo. That's personification. It's called alliteration, broomstick lips. That's why you get on my nerves. Get off of them. Whoa, 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 mister. Don't you fluster my buster trying to steal my taglines. That's my deal, wood logs. That's not yours. Whoa, whoa, whoa there, sister. It's called...
So I was looking at my analytics and I realized that most of my followers are girls, so I'm going to try and connect with the girl audience a little bit. So like, y'all know when you're on your period and... What? I just looked up what a period is. What the heck? I am so sorry. So sorry.
We're reading the shit show that is my diary when I was 7 years old. First entry, bitches. Dear Dairy, I'm your owner now. Oh, top energy. My name is Jessica. I hope I could tell you all my sacristus. P.S. I look like this. All right, next is Jonas Brothers phase. Oh my god. Dear Dairy, I have a big crush on Joe Jones. P.S. I love him. Art? That is not me. I watched Freaky Friday for the first time, and this is my favorite movie for a long time. Ooh, the anxiety. Dear Dairy, help me not be nervous. All right, what the fuck is that stain? I have no words. What in God's name? Dear Dairy, I just hear a girl that sing a good
I can show you the world. Swinging, swimming, stranded. Tell princess, no when did your let your head decide. I can open your eyes. Take you wonder by wonder.
Hey y'all, meet George. Come on, wake up, George. He went for a ride today in the washing machine, and we can't figure out how he got in the washing machine, but he's not doing so good. Right now, I tried to give him peanut butter to build his stamina up, you know, just like the rest of us, but he ain't trying to hear much of it. Come on, wake up, you little shit. Okay.
True. And number 4 is Mr. Obsessed. And now I've been around guys who are like
Hear no evil,
obsessed with me.
see no evil.
They don't dance and tell. We live in cities you'll never see on screen. Not very pretty, but we sure know how to run.
Don't do this, dude.
Oh yeah, this is your fault.
Here's this brush. You need it to wipe your disgusting bumhole. Are you an elephant trapped in the zoo? Probably, because no one wants you out in public. I have to put my glasses on to see you, because you're so irrelevant. If I were choosing between beef ramen noodles and chicken ramen noodles, I would choose beef over you, because you're ugly. I just measured your peen, and it's not even a lot of inches like this. You don't even know this dance move, because I just made it up, irrelevant loser butthead. I'm more popular than you'll ever be. Beat that! Beat it right now! You're just a weenie head! Dumbass.
My dad comes home with pizza, 8-year-old me. These pathetic ducklings think this Doberman named Sonia is their mommy and they're fucking stupid birds. My dog is a real gold, fool's gold, comedy gold, sitting down here during the day.
Hey, what's up, girl? I'm not trying to be a ladies' man, but let me just show you a trick of mine real quick.
Loving can hurt.
This is a whole nickel! What's this, dude? Nah, that's me. Okay, so now I'm scared. If you throw me inside, I'm gonna pull it. What? Into the unknown, into the unknown.
Where are you going?
Ugly.
Oh, look, a little human baby.
A tasty little snack.
A tasty snack indeed.
Oh no.
Hello little Georgie, I am Penny the Clown.
Okay.
Do you want your paper boat back?
Okay.
Okay, the only way to get it is if you jump in my mouth.
Okay.
Skeleton of a snake in the gutter. Oh, and also my foot's there in a Target flip-flop.
This is my interpretive dance of my dark drawing art. Thank you. I don't know my name.
Okay, I have to get something off my chest that some of you may not agree with. So if you want to unfollow me after I say it, that's totally cool. All right, here it is.
I like
The one slur. Tall, skinny dude in that green drip, chopping down those trees all day. You can chop me down.
Can I get that margarita on the rock? Can I get salt all around that rum train? I was a yellow train. Do you think you can buy me a bottle of rosé?
Hi, TikTok. It's Debbie Ryan. There's something dark in the air. Good thing I'm Jesus.
Was that the Beast? From Beauty and the Beast. My Beast. My Beast.
I'm not the Beast. I am Jesus. But I'm also Jesse Ryan, Robbie Donalds. Debbie Ryan from Jesse. My soda fell. It's spilling. Tucker, it's spilled.
How to impress a girl by only saying hey. Part 2. Hey. Oh wow, I am impressed. Hey. Oh wow, I am impressed. Hey. Oh wow, I am impressed. Hey. Oh wow, I am impressed.
Roll call.
Brad,
Tammy,
Fender,
Brenda,
Sketch,
Shelly,
IQ,
Luann,
Joey, Mikey,
Vicky, Becky,
Vic, Jesse,
Darla,
Holly,
Noreen, Doreen,
and I'm
Skinny.
It's like this. I'm Shathid, I can only count to 6. What the heck come after 6? I'm Shathid and I always wear clothes. I'm Machine. I'm Shathid and I'm stuck in his bag. I'm Shathid and I'm a bad girl. I'm Shathid and my brother is Bono. I'm Shathid and my dad want me home. I'm Shathid and I'm definitely not Asian. I'm Shathid and I never seen a flower. I'm Shathid and I've seen God. I'm Shathid and I never been hungry. I'm Shathid and I like to clap. I'm Shathid and I do a black flip. I'm Shathid and I'm always drunk. I'm Shathid and need an abortion. I'm Shathid and I burned down a hospital. I'm Shathid, I forgot how to breathe. I'm Shathid and I sing in a choir. I'm Shathid and I can guarantee protection. I'm Shathid and I always come first. I'm Shathid and I jump across the street. I'm Shathid and I sleep in a chair. I'm Shathid and not a mini bass riff.
Seriously, Mom, I can't talk right now.
Hey, it's me.
Hickory ham chuck.
And here are 3 things that country boys don't like.
Showering.
Hickory ham chuck don't like that.
Non-cousin smoochers.
Can't smooch you now, Mary Lou. Grandma's calling us for supper. Hickory ham chuck don't like that.
Rap music.
Alexa, I'd like to order some of your finest rap music.
Should I play some rap?
Yes, that's what I'm implying. Ew! Hickory ham chuck don't like that.
You know, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide.
What the fuck? Oh my god. What are they doing? What are you guys? You guys must actually be up. Oh god! Ah!
Oh my god, what is that? What is that? What is it? It's a spider. Oh my god. Mom!
I was a girl in the village doing alright. Then I became a princess overnight. Now I gotta figure out how to do it right. So much to learn and see. Up in the castle with my new family. In a school that's just for royalty. A whole enchanted world is waiting for me. I'm so excited to be. I'm finding out what being royal's all about. Making my way, it's an adventure every day. It's gonna be my time to show them all that I'm Sophia the
I had a dream that one day the boys and girls, I can't.
I just got up and walked to the door and I saw it. I'm on the floor. I love to dance, so give me more, till I can't stand.
Hey. Ravioli.
Shut the hell up, bitch. Go.
I just wish that someone would try and catch me lacking, because I have a black belt in kicking ass. Now who wants to try?
4 dumbest dinosaur names. Number 4, Spinax. What? Imagine being one of the coolest looking dinosaurs, and then one day some paleontologist just points at your bones and is like, yep, that's a Spinax. Number 3, the Utah Raptor. Are you kidding me? What kind of Mormon dinosaur is this? Is Utah even real? Oh, and would you look at that? Utah is not real. Moving on to number 2, Panty Draco. When I hear Panty Draco, I just think of Draco Malfoy from Harry Potter wearing... Okay, never mind. Move on. Number 1, the Irritator. That's the actual name. And that's the least intimidating name I've ever heard. The Irritator? So it's not gonna kill you, it's just gonna like chew loudly around you and irritate you. Are you kidding me?
Vagina, boy, a vagina.
Welcome to Are They Invited to My Birthday Party? Harry Potter edition. Let's go. Gilderoy Lockhart would not get invited because my birthday party's about me and he'd try to make it about him. Yo, screw off, Gilderoy. Yo, my boy HP's invited to the function though. Being friends with Harry Potter? Yo, that's some free clout for me. Okay, so I invited both Fred and George, but only George has gotten back to me. I don't know why. Yeah, Remus Lupin's not getting that invite. But you know who is getting that invite? Werewolf version of Remus Lupin! Oh! I'm also inviting Umbridge, so she can be the pinata! Yo, Dobby trying to pull up? Why not? And you best believe Tom Riddle's pulling up, and you know who isn't pulling up? Half-Blood Prince Tom Riddle! But is Neville invited? Let me think about that. Of course Neville's invited! He better bring Trevor.
Hi, Steven. What are you doing? Are you... Sir, I don't think this is the time. You look scary. Please don't do this to your dad. I just want to go to bed. It's bedtime. Are we gonna go bedtime? No?
I guess I'm just a play date to you.
Steven, what are you doing? Steven, I'm just trying to drink a smoothie. I'm just trying to get gains, okay? Gains. You're walking really slow now, so actually I'm kind of bored. I'll wait. Can you hurry up? Oh my god. Oh, I'm a dog. I'm stalking you. I'm so scary. Oh my god. Wow, you're so scary. Oh, I'm 130 pounds. I'm a Rottweiler Doberman. I'm so scared. You're walking so damn slow. You're gonna run out of time. Like, what do you... Can you hurry up?